Many pet owners have heard from their veterinarian or their technologist that it's really important to brush our pets' teeth for oral care and just general health. And so today we're going to talk about the steps that we need to take to learn how to teach a dog or a cat how to accept dental care from us at home. So step number one, what's our step number one, Romy? Put away the toothbrush. That's right. Thanks very much. And so the reason we do that is because of step number two. Step number two involves using concepts that we call cooperative care or fear-free techniques, where we want to have the animal choose to work with us while we're doing things for them. And the best way to do that is by starting with just some fun games that we can teach them before we actually get into their mouth. And so for Romy here, she's learned how to do something we call touch targeting. And so let's see here, honey. You touch? Good girl. And what we're doing is we're asking her to come to us, to come to our hands and actually put her face right there, and accept our care. And with time, we can get her to touch, and then we can lift her lip. We can give her treats. You know, what we want to do is give her a little bit of distraction from what we're doing, whether it's with a treat or a toy, so that she's really comfortable with the things that we're doing when we're working with her head, whether it's her mouth, her eyes, or her ears. Right? So step three, you can see that she's pretty comfortable with this. Step three involves using something soft in her mouth. So we want to use something, wool socks, unicorns are optional here. We want to use something soft in her mouth that's going to be just ever so slightly abrasive on the tooth surface, but gentle on the gums. And basically we just kind of get in there and we just rub, we get her used to it. Okay, she's pretty comfortable here, so she's letting me do this without too many problems at all. The thing is, with small dogs and with cats, this may be as far as you go. This can still be a very effective way of helping to keep their teeth nice and clean at home. What we want to do is we just want to be able to get that bit of plaque off with daily care, and this can certainly make a difference for them. So step four, we introduce that toothbrush again, and we introduce it as a chew toy. So you can see she loves her toothbrush. What we'll do is I start a lot of dogs with a little bit of peanut butter on the toothbrush. For people who have allergies or where your dog can't handle that kind of fat in their diet, we can use either these treat pastes that we have out, or even canned food. For cats, a little bit of canned food on the toothbrush or a little bit of tuna juice can make a big difference for them. So we're going to take a little bit of peanut butter, so just a little bit. You can see she's already looking forward to it, and we let her chew. Now she's going to explore the toothbrush, she's going to look at it, and perfect. She's actually chewing on her back teeth right now with the bristles, and that is actually getting a little bit of toothbrushing happening for us. So once a dog is really used to us using the toothbrush in their mouth because we've used it as a toy for them, we can become a little bit more purposeful with our brushing. And so for her, we're gonna get in there, we're gonna brush those teeth. I'm all the way at the back of her mouth right now, and I'm not cranking her mouth open. I'm letting her do her thing, okay? Yeah, just like that. Now for dogs who aren't sure about the head control, about the toothbrush, just go really slowly. We can just maybe brush one tooth a day. Watch your fingers because she may chew down on your fingers. But if you do one tooth a day and you stop before the dog or the cat actually says, no, I'm done, that gives us more room to build the next day. And so, whether you're using the toothbrush that of course we can see Romy loves, or whether we're using a cloth and we just rub those one or two teeth, just kind of work on the front. If you work on the front teeth or the fang teeth for a few weeks, you've won. You're getting your pet to enjoy the process, and you're getting their dental health sort of under control. Now, if we have a dog or a cat where your veterinarian has said, no, there's too much tartar on the teeth, or there's actually dental disease going on, there's gingivitis, periodontitis, infection, or loose teeth. In those cases, we want your doctor to do their job, get those teeth cleaned at the clinic first, and then from there, once you have a clean surface to work with, you can start over again and keep them up, keep those pearly whites exactly where you want them to be, and keep your cat or your dog as healthy as you can.